Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today's open house day looks like we have an open house in this house and an open house in that house. Well, what I'm going to be doing, an open house on this house, okay? And tomorrow, if you want to see it, I'm going to be putting up this one, okay? So stay tuned for tomorrow. This was a riverfront home. Okay, it's beautiful. I think it's 4,417 square feet on the air. Has an amazing master bedrooms looking towards the river. So get ready for that one for tomorrow. But today we have this one for you. It's a beautiful home. It's completely remodeled inside. Wait until you see it. And he has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Beautiful pool area. It's a corner lot, located in the Savona neighborhood here in the southeast, okay? And it's a very nice home. Let's go inside and take a closer look. I don't know if you hear those birds. Those birds are driving me crazy. They got so noisy that I had to stop filming for a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's right in the corner lot. Let me show you the side here. Okay, let's go inside. This is an open house, so there's going to be people coming in and out. And this open house has a lot of food. So let's take a look. Okay, when you come in, you have this entrance here. Okay. Okay, we're in. Say hi to the agent. There's your listing agent right there, Mr. Kenny. Hello. Carolyn over here. Got people coming in. And there's people coming, so let me hurry up here so you guys can talk in peace. Check out this beautiful fireplace with a nice TV.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? Before we start, let me show you the food here. Check out the food.
Wow, all for me, huh?
Is this an open house or what? So here's your Samsung appliances. And here's your sink.
Fresh off a plane from Boston. Yeah. That's why I'm dressed late.
And your refrigerator. Over here you have kind of like a little family room area. Check it out. And over here you got your laundry room. Okay. And over here is your garage. And it has a nice door that leads outside, and you also have a sink in here. There's your water heater. Okay. Let's keep going.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Then over here will be bedroom number 1. Okay. And then over here you got bedroom number 2. Okay. And he has a walk-in closet here. Still needs the shelves, but nice walk-in closet. And then over here you got your guest bathroom with a pool bath. Okay. You have double sinks, nice big mirror. Here's your toilet, there's a light here. And here you got your nice shower. Okay, now let's go ahead to the master bedroom. Soon we'll go outside and take a look at the pool. It has a very nice sized pool. Check that out. So this is your master. You have your master bathroom on this side and your big closet on that other side. So Let's go ahead first and visualize the size of this master bathroom. I like this farm doors, they're pretty cool. Okay, so you come in, you got your double sink, another humongous mirror, and let me turn on the light here. I'm gonna switch, where's the other switch? Switch over there. You got your toilet over here, and your walk-in shower over here. Let me turn this off so I have the noise. The shower is really nice. And it comes out. Check out this beautiful shower here. Very high tech. Tremendous tile work here. Check that out. Get some hooks there. Very nice. Okay, so now let's go outside and take a look at the beautiful pool. Okay, I'm coming out this door. It's a lot of people coming to the open house. I'm sorry about the noise, but that, when I do open houses, it happens some of the time, so sorry about that. But check out this area out here. Very nice, big enclosed area here, and the pool is nice size. Remember, if you'd like to know the price of this property, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go on the description below and click on the price and status link that you have there. If you click on it, you'll go directly to the full report of the property and you get all the information there, okay? And remember, if you're looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, my wife and I have been selling real estate in this area for over 24 years, okay? So if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We would love to help you out. We have helped a lot of our subscribers find their dream home here in Southwest Florida, so we can do it for you too. So if you have any questions about the area or any questions, anything you want to see for me to film about the area, feel free to write in your comments. I could go and film malls, shopping centers. I'm trying to get ideas what to film now. I want to start showing you more about the area. So I'm open for suggestions. Soon you will start seeing my videos about everything. I'm going to go around neighborhoods, and I'm going to be showing you more detail what Cape Coral and some parts of Southwest Florida look like. So if you would like that type of information, feel free to hit the subscribe button. And as soon as I put up the video, you'll be able to see them, okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And remember, if you would like to see the home across the street, just click here.